covering my hair in melted crayons to see which color it will make my hair. I started by buying 192 crayons, took all of the wrappers off and separated them by color into a bunch of separate bowls. Then I put them into a pan on the stove and melted every single one of the colors down into a liquid, and combined the colors together to make this really hot but also really cool looking mix of colors. Now it's time to put this hot waxy colorful liquid into my hair. I poured it into my hair, but the instant it hit my head I realized it was way too hot and burned my scalp. That hurt a lot, so I cooled it down a little bit before reapplying it. It was still a little warm, but it wasn't nearly as bad as before. It looks really cool, kind of like a colorful rainbow of wax. Now it's time to wait for it to dry, which took about 24 minutes, and now it isn't as colorful and doesn't look as cool, but it is completely hardened, and if I rubbed a piece of paper on it, I could draw with it, which was pretty cool, I guess. Now I have to try and get it out and see what color it stained my hair. First thing I tried was using a hairdryer on max heat to try and loosen it up, but that wasn't working. I also tried rubbing it with paper, but that wasn't working either, so I went into the bathroom to try and wash it out with really hot water and a bunch of shampoo, and even after steaming up my entire bathroom, none of it was coming out. Please like and subscribe, because I think I might be stuck with rainbow wax hair for a while.
Ok, dámy a páni, možno si teraz hovoríte, čo je tento typek, že si dáva proste voskovky na hlavu. Popravde sám neviem, že či je, ale viem len to, že toto očividne robí previews. Pokiaľ máte proste dostatočné IQ, tak si viete predstaviť, že toto robí typek len preto, aby mal views. Pretože tento typek sa volá Stash Hit a robí videá, kde skúša produkty na vlasy, hej. Čiže on je taký ten človek, čo akože chce, aby vyzerali ľudia lepšie, a keď si všimnete, tak vo väčšine influencerov alebo ľudí, čo akože riešia svoj vzhľad alebo svoje vlasy, používajú produkty od značky Based. A tento typek je proste taký istý, len s tým, že má content, kde si na schvál a pre content dáva veci na vlasy, ktoré by normálny človek, alebo lepšie povedané, nemal by si to robiť, hej. Proste on si dáva na vlasy doslova všetko, čo mu príde do rúk, a je to až strašidelné, ako proste si dodrbáva svoje vlasy. A ako vidím, koľko má videí, tak sa čudujem, že ešte jeho vlasy mu nevypadli. Takže poďme sa pozrieť na ďalší klip a počase pochopíte, prečo som takto reagoval.
Covering my head in hot wax. This is the same wax that people use to rip off hair from their body, but I'm putting it in the hair on my head.
Tú vec, tú tekutinu, ktorú tu mal. Táto vec sa používa, dámy a páni, prosím pekne, na to, aby si odtrhal si chlpy buď na nohách, alebo proste depilácia. A tento typek si povedal, že bude dobrý nápad pre content si dať na svoje vlasy, keď sme najprv videli, že si dal na svoje vlasy voskovky, alebo jak sa to povie, teda pastelky, teraz si dáva na vlasy vec, ktorá by mu asi odtrhla všetky vlasy. Čiže poďme pozrieť, že jak to dopadne. Zajíma ma to. Presne tak, toto nerobte doma, deti. Kam ak nejaké decko pozerá, nerobte toto doma.
Heat it up in the microwave first to be able to apply it, so it was a little hot and burned a little bit. It was by far the stickiest thing I've ever put in my hair. That's saying a lot, because I've put a lot of stuff in my hair. Now that it's completely applied, it's time to wait for it to dry.
Počuli ste, I put a lot of stuff on my hair. Čiže dáva na svoje vlasy rôzne veci. Kámo, ja fakt sa čudujem, že jeho vlasy ešte nevypadli. Kámo, reálne, on keď dojde k proste kožnej alebo k barberovi a typek vidí, že proste jeho content a pozrie na ňo, že no ja by som chcel len tu trochu odstrihnúť, a typek by sa hneď by ho poslal alebo by ho poslal, kámo, do doktorovi, lebo no ja keby som jeho barber a vidím proste jeho videá a vidím, jak proste točí tie videá, že proste si sám, keby ničí zdravie alebo ničí svoje vlasy, že možno 50, lebo teraz mu to možno nič, ale možno tak o pár rokov mu vypadajú všetky vlasy, bol bracho, fakt dobre vidno, že proste sa stará o tie vlasy, ale zároveň i pre content ničí, kámo. Si predstav, že si jeho mama a vidíš, že proste si dáva toto na vlasy.
After waiting for a while, it never actually started to dry. It just got thicker and thicker, turned into the consistency of tar, and started running onto my skin. And I have a feeling this is going to be the most difficult thing I've ever tried to get out of my hair. First thing I tried was loosening it with a hairdryer on max heat, which was working to make it less thick, was also making it a little too hot, and was running into my eyes. And after trying to rinse it out after that, basically none was coming out. Next thing I tried was filling up a bowl with hot water and letting my hair sit in it, and the water was turning green, which made me think it was coming out, but after waiting a long time, most of it was still stuck. So I went back and forth using the hairdryer and then leaving my hair in the hot water for hours until it was literally nighttime, at which point I was really tired and had gotten most of it out, so I just went to bed with really sticky hair. And when I woke up, I immediately hopped in the shower and used hot water and shampoo to get the rest out. Moral of the story, don't put hot wax that's meant to rip off your hair in your hair.
No ja nemám slov, kámo. Typek reálne, čo si myslíš, že ono to pôjde hneď dole, keď je to vec, s ktorou fakt reálne si depiluješ chlpy a on si to dá na vlasy. Škoda, že mu to proste tam nezastvrdlo a že by si vytrhol svoje všetky vlasy, lebo reálne je to, radšej nech nemá vlasy, než by si ich mal ničiť, kámo, reálne. Dobre, ideme na ďalšie video, čo som si tu pre vás prichystal. Pretože on ide z extrémov do extrémov, hej.
Putting 24 karat gold blackhead remover in my hair and then ripping it out.
Ďalšia vec, proste vec, ktorá sa dáva proste na nos, tak ten typek si to dal na vlasy.
Stuff is meant to rip off blackheads from your nose, but I'm putting it in my hair. Applying it felt weird, but also weirdly premium, like I was destroying my hair, but with a sprinkle of luxury.
Ešte ak povieš, že destroying my hair, čiže on vie, že si proste ničí vlasy, ale aj tak to robí. To proste nepochopím, čo ľudia urobia proste pre content.
It's completely applied and looks like a very expensive helmet. Last time I did this with regular blackhead remover and it didn't turn out too well in the end. So I'm kind of scared to let it dry, but I'm doing it anyway. It took about an hour and 15 minutes to dry, which felt like forever. And it isn't.
Proste on robí s vecami, ja som tam videl, že aj s lepidlom, čiže on robí s vecami, ktoré sa vôbec nemajú používať na vlasy, ani na tvár, ani nič také. A potom používa veci, ktoré sa používajú na iné spôsoby, čiže na tvár a on si to dá.
Isn't exactly as hard as solid gold, but it definitely is hardened and basically glued down. But I think it kind of makes me look rich, and also probably bald in the future. Now to try and get it out, I started by ripping off as much as I could, but that was very painful and wasn't really working. So I went to the bathroom to see if I could wash it out, and that wasn't really working either. So I ran to get some items that are supposed to help.
Ja chápem, že ten typek proste robí experience, alebo proste experimentuje, ale Braško sám vie, sám hovorí o tom, že proste si ničí takto vlasy a proste o pár rokov proste pôjde na holo. Kámo, keď vieš, že čo ti to spôsobí, prečo nejdeš na iný typ kontentu. Ten typek dáva linky na ten product based a čo si majú povedať tí baseťáci, vieš, čo sú tam s tým produktom, vieš, čo na vlasy je, že no, ten typek má sponzor u nás, alebo affiliate link, ale namiesto, aby si s vlasami robil dobre, tak si ju robí zle.
To help get weird stuff out of your hair, like olive oil, dish soap, baking spray, and a bunch of different conditioners, and combine them all into a bowl, and try to use that concoction to wash it out. To my surprise, it actually started to loosen up. I got as much as I could out, which was a lot, but definitely wasn't all of it, and then let it dry. In the end, my hair is flat, sticky, and sparkly. Gold hair might sound cool, but it becomes a lot less cool when you need to raid your kitchen in order to get it out.
To je proste Ďalej, ideme ďalej, lebo ešte tu je ďalšie.
Trying to give myself glow-in-the-dark ghost roots. So I've recently seen this viral trend of people dyeing just the roots of their hair. I think it looks super cool. So I'm going to...
No hej, ale tie veci sú proste na to dané, že proste to je farba na vlasy. Ten typek, vidím, že ide to robiť s radioaktívnymi tými glow, lebo mne sa raz stalo, že tu proste tak typy píše, že hair cancer speedrun, mne sa raz stalo, viete, tie také tubičky, čo sú také naplnené tou svietiacou vodou, vieš, že keď pukneš, tak ja som raz jak demen, tak to kúsa, alebo som si neuvedomil, kúsa a ono to prasklo, aby to pošlo všetko dolu, spálilo ma celá huba, takže to neskúšajte doma, to som len mojou debilosťou, ale tento typek, ja som sa skoro otvárabil a ten typek si robí presne tak z hair cancer speedrun.
Right, except I'm going to use paint that glows in the dark and is possibly semi-permanent. But to try and protect my hair at least a little bit, I started by applying some leave-in conditioner, which will act as a moisture barrier and also make it easier to section off. Then I use hair ties to separate my hair into these little sections, and then continue to do that for all of my hair until I looked pretty ridiculous. Now it's time to apply the paint, which smells like it could be toxic. I painted it on the roots of a section with my finger, and then used a hairdryer to dry that section. Continue to do this for every single section of my hair until my roots and scalp were completely covered in paint. And then after taking all of the hair ties out, this is how it looked in the light. It looked pretty bad, but I was holding on to hope that once I turned off the lights, it would look way cooler. And it definitely did. It's super bright and vibrant and turned out way better than I was expecting. And on top of that, now I get to test and see if I can get semi-permanent paint out of my hair.
I think you're cooked. Keep going, bro. Tak to aj podporujú, proste tak, ktorí tu podporujú a tak, ktorí si robia proste joke z toho, že proste si robí zle. Čiže smutné, kámo, extrémne, že aby mal proste content, typek si proste na vlasy, proste najhoršie veci, ktoré si na vlasy nemal by si v živote dávať, lebo ti to môže spôsobiť niečo s kožou. A ten typek si povie, vieš, kit, proste. Toto som ukusil a mi to pošlo dosť len menšie, kámo. A toto on si dal na vlasy. Počkej, not again.
Different color glow stick liquids make my hair glow different colors. To test this out, I cut all of them open and put them in separate containers. The first one
reálne tá vec je toxická, tá vec je vytvorená z chemikálií, ktoré sú nebezpečné pre tvoju kožu. To páli. Ja som to zažil, to páli, extrémne to páli. Ja sa čudujem, že som stále tu. To páli.
One I applied was green, which had an insanely bright glow effect that looked super cool. Next one was red, which didn't glow at all in my hair, and I have no idea why. Now yellow, which did glow, but it wasn't that bright. Followed by blue, which wasn't really blue. It looked more like white in my hair. And finally orange and purple, which I got more on my forehead than anything else. Now let's just hope this stuff doesn't kill my hair and make me bald.
Určite urobí, kámo. What the Čo to proste je, kámo? Prečo proste to robí? Ja nerozumiem, že prečo to robí, to už ani nedopozerám proste. Dámy a páni, toto je príklad toho, že čo človek urobí pre views. Jak môžeš len kvôli tomu, aby si mal trošku čísel, koľko to má views. Toľko miliónov views len za to, aby potom o pár rokov tie views ti proste zostanú, alebo proste ty sledovanosť dalo by sa ti zostane, keď budeš takto vymýšľať, ale prídeš o vlasy. A potom čo? Čo budeš robiť content? Dal som si na chlpy, na proste som si dal tiež takéto veci. Čo ja nerozumiem, alebo dal som si na obočie, teraz budeš skúšať, kámo. Ja normálne takedy nechápem ľudstvo, ja takedy nechápem, prečo toto ľudia robia pre views. Takže dámy a páni, neskúšajte toto doma, ak si decko a pozráš toto video, neskúšaj to doma. A pokiaľ si dospelý, alebo proste už máš IQ a chápeš, že toto není v poriadku, tak za prvé nechoďte tomu človekovi proste písať proste, alebo choďte mu napísať, že nech to prestane robiť a napíšte mi dolu do komentárov, čo si o tomto myslíte, pretože pre mňa je tento človek debil proste, lebo pre views si ničiť zdravie je fakt na. Takže dajte odber, dajte like, pretože sme späť v takýchto typických videí, čo som vždy robil, kde som proste reagoval na retardovaných influencerov, ako je napríklad tento. A jo, ja sa s vami budem tešiť nejakého ďalšieho videa, fakt dajte odber, pretože niekoľko percent ľudí, čo sleduje moje videa, nemá u mňa odber. Ideme si do konca roka pre 200 odberateľov, ja si myslím, že hej, takže dávajte odber a my sa vidíme pri nejakom ďalšom videu. Peace.